I embrace peace and tranquility as I drift into sleep. My body is rejuvenating while I rest. I deserve this time to relax and restore my beauty. I release the stress of the day and welcome calm. Each breath I take brings me closer to deep, restful sleep. I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. My skin glows with health and vitality as I sleep. I am surrounded by love and positivity as I rest. My dreams are filled with inspiration and creativity. I wake up refreshed and ready to shine. Each night I nourish my body and soul. I am worthy of love and care, especially during sleep. My mind is calm and my spirit is at peace. I attract positivity and beauty into my life. My dreams bring me clarity and insight. I am a magnet for beauty and grace. I cherish this moment of solitude and rest. I release all tension from my body and mind. I am grateful for the beauty that surrounds me. My heart is filled with gratitude as I drift off to sleep. I honor my body by allowing it to rest and heal. am growing more radiant with each passing day. I embrace the stillness of the night as a time for renewal. My thoughts are gentle and soothing as I prepare for sleep. I find beauty in the silence of the night. I am in tune with my body's needs and honor them. I radiate confidence and self-acceptance. I rest deeply and awaken renewed. I find joy in my journey of self-care. My beauty shines from within and is enhanced by rest. I am surrounded by a protective energy as I sleep. I release the day's worries and embrace serenity. I cultivate love and kindness towards myself. I trust that my body knows how to heal and rejuvenate. I am a beautiful being, deserving of rest and relaxation. I wake up every morning feeling beautiful and empowered. I am grateful for this moment of rest, knowing it enhances my beauty.